Hey, welcome. This is Musa with Social Dance Mastery. I'm excited you decided to join this challenge. And if you're here, you want your salsa timing to feel more natural, consistent, and connected to the music. Maybe you've been dancing for a while and can follow steps, but something still feels a little off. Maybe you're thinking too much about the steps. Maybe you lose your timing when the music changes, or on-two timing hasn't really clicked yet. These are the things that we transform in this 5-day challenge. This challenge isn't about competition against others, it's about leveling up within your own skill level in salsa timing. Over the next 5 days, I'm gonna guide you through a transformative salsa musicality process where you understand where salsa timing comes from, where you build a steady internal pulse, where you recognize the rhythms in salsa music and where you connect all of that to your movement. Each day, you'll watch a lesson and then record a short video and post it in the community. This is where the transformation really happens, when you interact and participate with this process. Open yourself up to feedback and learn with other people. This is what's gonna make this an amazing experience in this 5-day challenge. So take a moment to introduce yourself, watch other people's videos, and stay engaged through these 5 days. You'll get a lot more out of this experience when you do that. Let's start right away with day 1, and I'll see you in the challenge.